Welcome to day 9 of the 100-day project of abstract florals. Today's kind of a social experiment. Although I like working with darker colors, autumn kind of colors, the oranges with browns, and that's really never been me. So this one is kind of a stretch for me. I definitely gravitate towards prettier colors, if you will. Even though these are very pretty colors, I tend more to like pinks and pretty florals, Autumn leaves are so beautiful. The time that I got to spend in Michigan, when I wish I could show you some of the most beautiful autumns I've ever seen. There were leaves of just vivid yellow and orange and like pinkish. They were so beautiful. But it's not something that I gravitate towards. So in this one, I end up doing a little bit more take of like a mixed media, and I'm going to add some pastels. I'm going to add a rub-on and kind of make this one mine and not let the colors intimidate me. So the key to this one, since the photo that I was looking at was so vibrant in colors, I wanted this to match. So the key was to layer. So I put down a color. I then dried it with my heat gun and repeated it a few times. And so that's how you're seeing me get these browns really rich and the golds. And the day that I actually did this, the sky was really gray, and it kind of reminded me of a fall day, which is very interesting because I am in Texas now. And if you're from Texas, leave me a hey y'all down below. But our leaves in our yard just all fell out just now. And it's getting to the time where they're going to start growing back. And I think that's really funny. Annoying because we've had falling leaves in our yard for forever. So this is an ode to those leaves that just finally gave out. And I told you guys I was going to mix things up a little bit. So now instead of using my Stabilo to create my background, I am going to use some watercolors. And one of the colors that I love to create is any kind of yellow with like an indigo, like a deep blue. I think it gives me just a beautiful color. It's kind of greeny, kind of blue, kind of gray. And so what I'm doing here is just spreading around the edges to, again, make that the oranges and the reds pop. Then I'm adding some pastels to kind of mimic the little veins inside of the leaves. And then last, the thing that I'm going to do here is actually a rub-on that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut it out, and I'm going to add it here above, and I think it's just a really sweet sentiment. And I'm still floored that I found these at Dollar Tree. I think they're really stepping up their craft game. They know that there's a lot of us out there that are looking for good stuff. So check out your Dollar Tree. I actually went in search of a fountain pen that people have been finding, and I still can't find it, but I found these. So it was a good second prize, I would say. So that's pretty much it for this page. Maybe not my favorite, but I'm glad that I attempted it. Let me know what you think down below, and here's my final project. I will see you tomorrow.